Dear banker friends, I am going to share previous year's memory recalled questions, those were asked in CIB exam. In order to offer you maximum benefit, I have segregated all questions chapter wise. So without wasting your precious time, let's begin with chapter number 4. Module B, Retail Products, chapter number 4, Customer Requirements. Question number 1. Which of the following types of customers are targeted in retail banking? Answer is individuals, group of individuals, employed or self-employed having regular income. Question number 2. The first step in the approval process for retail loan is. Answer is collection of application and information that is necessary to evaluate the customer. Explanation. Whatever be the method, the first step is collection of application and information that is necessary to evaluate the customer as to whether he or she is eligible for the product. Question number 3. The second step in the approval process for retail loan is. Answer is due diligence. Explanation. The second step is the due diligence where in the application details are thoroughly verified. Question number 4. Which of the following are the details that are verified by the banks in due diligence step of retail loan approval process? Answers are verification of KYC with relevant documents, credit report verification from credit information companies, house visit to ensure residential address, verification and inspection of immovable property offered as security or collateral. Explanation. The details to be verified are as under. Verification of KYC with relevant documents. Verification of PAN number from IT website. Credit report verification from credit information companies. House visit to ensure residential address. Telephonic verification of the individual at the office or business phone numbers. Verification and inspection of immovable property offered as security or collateral. Title investigation of the property offered as security or collateral. Valuation of such property by a bank appointment valuer. Weighting of security documents by the bank's legal advisor. Question number 5. Broadly, customers are segmented based on their dash as their need parameter will vary with the rise in this parameter. Answer is income levels. Case study. Customer segmentation. Jalpaiguri branch of SDBI Bank has following customers. Answer the next 6 questions based on data given. Customer Mr. Sunil Das, annual income in rupees lakhs 5,508. Mr. Arindam Banerjee 25 lakhs. Mr. Divya Jyoti 450 lakhs. Mr. Farooq Ahmed 56 lakhs. Mr. Kanchan 8 lakhs. Mr. Parminder Singh 1 lakh 25,000 lakhs. Question number 6. Which of the above customers belong to mass market customer segment? Answer is Mrs. Kanchan. Which of the above customers belong to super affluent customer segment? Answer is Mr. Farooq Ahmed. Which of the above customers belong to mass affluent customer segment? Answer is Mr. Arindam Banerjee. Which of the above customers belong to H and W customer segment? Answer is Mr. Divya Jyoti. Which of the above customers belong to Ultra H and W customer segment? Answer is Mr. Parminder Singh. Next question. Which of the above customers belong to Super H and W customer segment? Answer is Mr. Sunil Das. Explanation. The basic segmentation of customers based on their income levels is presented below. Income levels and respective customer segment. 2 to 10 mass market, 10 to 50 mass affluent, 50 to 400 super affluent, 400 to 4000 H and W, that is high net worths, 4000 to 1,20,000 super high net worth, above 1,20,000 ultra high net worths. Question number 12. The dash, comma dash and dash are the most important segments for banks with regard to their retail banking initiatives. The products and services are structured mostly to meet the requirements of the above segments. Answers are mass market, mass affluent, supermarket. Question number 13. The theory will help banks to structure products to match the different stages of the need pyramid of the customers is Maslow's theory. Question number 14. Abraham Maslow's motivation theory consists of which of the following 5 levels? Physiological needs, safety needs, social needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. Question number 15. As per Abraham Maslow's motivation theory, order of need satisfaction is, answer is lower to higher needs. Question number 16. The highest level of need as per Abraham Maslow's motivation theory is, answer is self-actualization needs. Question number 17. Which of the following banking, investment and insurance products matches physiological needs as per Abraham Maslow's motivation theory? Answers are core saving accounts, personal accident cover, housing loans. Question number 18. Which of the following banking, investment and insurance products matches security or safety needs as per Abraham Maslow's motivation theory? Answers are fixed deposit products, mutual fund products, life insurance products. Question number 19. Which of the following banking, investment and insurance products matches social needs as per Abraham Maslow's motivation theory? Answers are retail gold coins, home loans. Question number 20. Which of the following banking, investment and insurance products matches esteem needs as per Abraham Maslow's motivation theory? Answers are second housing loans, term insurance products. Question number 21. Which of the following banking, investment and insurance products matches self-actualization needs as per Abraham Maslow's motivation theory? Answers are senior citizens term deposit products, pensioners loans. Question number 22. Which of the following are some of the requirements or expectations of the customers about the service quality of banks? Answers are tangibility, reliability, responsiveness. Explanation. Tangibility. Appearance of physical facilities, equipment, personal and communication materials. Reliability. Ability to perform the promised service dependently and accurately. Responsiveness. Willingness to help customers and provide prompt service. Question number 23. Case study. Retail customer requirements. Mr. Subhash is a retired army officer having his account at Imphal City National Bank. He is in need of reverse mortgage loan. The branch manager assured him that all the documents are processed and his loan will be sanctioned within next 2 days. Mr. Subhash waited for 3 days and noticed that the loan has still not been sanctioned, not the manager informed any discrepancy either verbally or in written. Which customer requirements or expectations about the service quality of banks did branch manager did not met? Answer is reliability. Explanation. Reliability. Ability to perform the promised service dependently and accurately. Responsiveness. Willingness to help customers and provide prompt service. Courtesy. Politeness, respect, consideration, and friendliness of the contact personnel. Credibility. Trustworthiness about the service provider. Question number 24. Case study. Retail customer requirements. Messrs. George Varghese Shipping Agency is having a business account with Punjab International Bank, Kochi branch. They requested a monthly statement from the bank, which bank provided instantly. The accountant of the firm noticed some discrepancy in the statement. He observed that cash handling charges has not been deducted as per norms, in fact deducted extra. The firm requested the branch manager to resolve the issue quickly. On checking the statement after 10 days, the firm observed that the charges still persist and not correction is made nor any kind of reasoning is provided by the bank. Which customer requirements or expectations about the service quality of banks did branch manager did not? Answer is responsiveness. Question number 25. Case study. Retail customer requirements. Ms. Sheena is having a savings account with Trichy International Bank. While going through her passbook, she observed that annual maintenance charges have been debited twice by the bank. She informed the counter clerk, who in turn reversed the charges debited twice after due diligence and approval from the branch manager. Which customer requirements or expectations about the service quality of banks did branch clerk met? Answer is responsiveness. Question number 26. Case study. Retail customer requirements. Mr. Jagan Reddy is an officer posted at rural branch of Bengal National Bank in West Bengal. His native place is Telangana and thus faced difficulty in undertaking Bengali. He received a written complaint from local rural farmer regarding no credit of his interest subsidy. Since the farmer cannot understand English, he replied to the complaint in Bengali with the help of local staff. Which customer requirements or expectations about the service quality of banks did branch officer met? Answer is empathy. Explanation. Empathy includes access, communication, understanding the customer. Let's try to understand what is access. Access is approachability and ease of contact. Communication is keeping customers informed in a language that they understand. Understanding the customer. Making an effort to know customers and their needs. Question number 27. Customer satisfaction levels are basically derived from the dash for different products like savings accounts, home loans, and personal loans and vary across products and banks. Answer is quality of service. Last question. ABC Bank has decided to launch a new deposit product with core savings account with some special features to attract the customers. Under which category of customer needs the product falls? Answer is physiological needs. Friends, if you wish to get more actual memory recalled questions with answers, please write me in comment section. I request you to like and share my YouTube video to banking fraternity who are really aspire to crack CIB exam. Also, please do subscribe my channel to get notification of my new video. Thank you very much.